Thank you very much, Matt. Are the dozens of people who lost money in a scheme where tens of millions of dollars went missing a step closer to getting their money back? American Property MGMT Services in East Naples is indicted in federal court. Wake News told you about the accusations back in 2022 when homeowners associations were trying to get their records from the company's offices, and APM refused to turn over bank statements to show what happened to the money. Now, several years later, we have new details in a 17-count federal indictment. Wake News reporter Michelle Alvarez joins us live. And Michelle, is there any chance that this indictment will get the money back for these victims?
Lois, I talked with the lawyer who filed that lawsuit. He said they weren't able to recover funds from insurance carriers, but not everyone had insurance. There's still money out there that was lost that may not be recovered, so they hope justice is served.
Millions of dollars gone after a property management company closed its doors in Collier County.
So to the best of our knowledge and belief, it started in about 2018 and continued all the way through the end of 2021.
The money belonged to more than 24 homeowners and condominium associations in Southwest Florida.
Among the 30 or so that we represented, they lost over $10 million to this company. So you can imagine the significant impact, negative impact that had on those communities.
The claims were the foundation of a lawsuit filed against American Property MGMT Services, and now the owners have been indicted by a federal grand jury. Jason Hamilton Mikes is the lawyer who filed the lawsuit.
We were able to recover about $1.3 million remaining in their bank accounts. For some, we were able to recover funds from their insurance carriers, but not everybody had sufficient insurance or any insurance at all. So there's still significant sums that were lost and might never be recovered unless the federal government is able to do something about that.
The owners, Orlando Miserandino Ortiz and his wife Linda Muñoz Posada, who were in charge of billing and collections, are not in custody.
There was a lot of confusion and betrayal. It's our understanding that the owners of American Property Management left the country during the COVID lockdown. And they did have employees sort of running the company in their absence, but we don't believe those employees, knew anything about the fraud being perpetrated. So it was about the time of the raid that all of this came to light, and of course the company collapsed.
He recommends communities check their balances directly with the bank and often. Don't wait for a manager to tell you how much money is in the bank, and if you see any strange transactions, ask questions. Back to you.
All right, Michelle.